Welcome, guys. So on today's episode with EnnyGeleCraft, I will be teaching you guys how to tie a turban. So thank you guys, thank you all for getting me to 20,000 subscribers. Just in case you're new on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so to get started, all you need to do is fold your material into two halves. Then you pick your pleat. You can pick about 5 to 6 pleats. Then you base. So you are basing from the back and the model will be holding down for you. Then you collect your pleats, arrange, you make sure you arrange them pleats by pleats, neatly and firmly pleated. Alright, so it's a V-shaped turban and you want to ensure it's having the V-shaped thing. So the first hand goes in a vertical order, then the second hand in a vertical order too. So make sure you do the same thing. You pick your pleat on the other side and you make sure it's neat and firmly pleated. So make sure you take your time to arrange. This material I'm using is a silk material, and so you can also use other fabrics, Ankara, Ashoki, and even Sego. So you make a twist. So the hand coming from your left goes to your right. The hand coming from your right goes to your left. That's simple. Then you arrange. Then you take it to the back, you twist in and you pin. Twist in and you pin. So how to pin? You push in straight. You pinch the edge of your fabric, then push in straight. Then all you need to do now, you need to tuck in your excesses so you can make the the turban, you can make it big and anyhow you want it, but just do this process so you can make it have a nice fitting. So you can pin again if necessary, just add more pins. Alright, same thing goes to this side. You take your material down, then you twist in at the back and you pin. Alright, so this is a silk material and sometimes it's always very stretchy, so you need to clean some parts that might be pulling. Then also in the middle, after you cut both sides in, you can pin them together to sew them up. Alright, so then to the finishing, just make sure you stretch out your material very well and make sure it's neatly and properly done. So I'm just going to be tightening up my material. You can see our turban is ready to go. Ready to go. So use pins. You just need to use pins to hold them down. Alright, so just tidy up your pleats. Make sure your pleats are well laid and neatly done. So next thing, you want to go to the back and you push up just a little. Then here we go. This is your turban. I hope you guys love this video. I hope it's helpful, and thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. You can also check through my channel for other tutorials that you might want to watch. Thank you so much, and love you guys. Bye.